What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Andrew. Miss Holly. We got our dog Waffles. We're spending the day in Paris today. It's actually the day before most of the city shuts down for the Olympics 2024. So we're trying to check out the sights, see some of the highlights along the river before this place is out of commission for the next week. So our first stop on the list today is Jardin Des Plantes, which is a garden of plants. I thought it'd be cool to start the tour here because I know how much Holly loves gardens. We've got a lot of walking today, a lot of cool stops, and we're gonna take you with us. All right, let's go see the gardens.
Okay, go.
Okay, go.
Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Holly and Andrew, and we're spending the next 90 days traveling around Europe with our dog Waffles. We release new episodes every Saturday, so make sure to subscribe to be the first to see our new videos.
This is neat. It's got lots of rows with different plants and a description about them. Of course, the description is in French, but that's okay. We've got our translator app. I can piece together some of it. Look at this onion. It's massive. We're cutting our garden visit short. Security just let us know. No dogs. Waffles always up to something. This time she's getting us in trouble.
Yeah, look at her. She was already in air jail.
She's vicious, but no dogs allowed in the garden, so don't bring your dog. We'll learn the hard way so you don't have to. Alright, so next stop, Metro. To the next location. We'll see you there. Here we go. We're here, Waffles. We're here. Hey, Waffles, Mom.
I think we've stumbled upon like a Olympics market or something. I saw our favorite European oat milk brand and I was like, oh, maybe they have free things.
Yeah, that right there.
Bonjour. Alors on a du lait de soja, soit vanille, soit chocolat.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
And one vanilla,
Oh, and a vanilla.
please. Merci. Thank you. All right, cool.
Waffles thought it was for her. So good.
Never had a macaroon, which is crazy because I've been in Paris so many times.
So good.
Very sweet. I'm glad I got a coffee one.
They're very.
Okay.
These are very fluffy. Like they're good quality.
Good.
Some of them are like, they taste stale.
A little sweet for me, but I like it.
I'll finish it.
Oh, sorry. Huh.
Didn't even recognize it with all the construction.
Back in April of 2019, Notre Dame actually caught on fire. And you might remember some of the images and the videos coming out. It was spooky. I mean, it was ablaze at night. They wanted to get it restored, I believe, in time for the Olympics, but it doesn't look like they're gonna quite make it. They only have a few more days, but it looks good. All right, so Notre Dame is on one of the islands in the middle of the Seine, so you have to get to it by bridge. And also on the island is the second location we're going to, Sainte-Chapelle.
I don't know what that is.
So Holly will be nice and surprised, but it's just a couple blocks down the way, so we're gonna walk there. Also at the tip of the island where we won't be going is Pont.
Sounds good.
All right, let's go. I'll follow you.
Bye. This way. Come on.
Voila, Sainte-Chapelle.
Here at Sainte-Chapelle, a big chapel, cathedral, actually. where the kings of France used to live until like the 14th century. So that's super cool. Today it's just a museum, not a dog-friendly museum, so we're gonna view it from the outside. But the thing that struck me was all the gold. There's a lot of gold in this city, but most of it's right here.
I think it's 20 euros to go in, but we can't do it anyway.
That's a lot, right?
Yeah.
The Vatican's free.
Tried to get the bells, didn't quite make it in time. So this is kind of cool. We're walking across the bridge, and on the other side of the river is the seating, some of the seating, for the Olympic opening ceremonies in a few days. So this is the first Olympics where the opening ceremony show will not be held in a stadium. Instead, they're going to be floating boats down the Seine, which I think is really cool.
Yeah, the seating is paid for, but like technically the public I think can stand there, but everything's kind of roped off, so I'm not actually sure. It'll be interesting to see on TV how it actually happens.
Yeah. The viewing is also open to the public, completely free, but you do have to register for security purposes, and unfortunately it's a little bit difficult to get registration unless you have an invitation or an Airbnb or a hotel or a reservation for a restaurant. So we're not gonna try it. I think we're gonna probably watch from home. We're on our way to the next place.
The Tower of Saint-Jacques.
Ah, the square of the Tower of Saint-Jacques.
This is perfect view right here.
Aww.
Tower. Isn't it beautiful?
I didn't actually know this existed. We just kind of stumbled on it. But that's the cool part about Paris. And unfortunately, she's not allowed. Alright, so let's go to the other stop then.
Okay.
The one that was on the list.
Perfect.
I don't think this is going to come out in the video, but look how high up we are. Hello!
Got an echo.
Hello!
Alright, let's see what Waffles does. She won't walk on me.
Give me a Waffles. Oh, are you going to go? You going to do it?
Not very happy about it.
She's not a fan?
No.
This is the Centre Pompidou, or in English, the Pompidou Center.
Okay. What is it?
So it is a museum of modern art, I believe. Unfortunately, we can't get in, but the outside is really cool.
We're getting to see the side of everything in Paris because everything's closed.
So I wanted to take Holly to the gardens of the Champs-Élysées, but they're using them. This is home to a lot of the stadiums and the event space that they're using for the Olympics. So we can't cut through it, but at least we can see it from the outside. It looks pretty cool.
Andrew told me the rest of the itinerary when we were about halfway through, but there was one surprise. So we just got off the train station and I got to see the surprise, which is reminiscent of our first trip together.
Where was our first trip? Give him a hint.
New York City.
Oh.
We saw an XL version of this.
So what could be in New York that is in Paris? Come, let's find out. Voila. Statue of Liberty. Lady Liberty herself.
The OG. She's so tiny. Our last stop.
Voila! In view, the Tour de Eiffel. Guys, I apologize. I try my best to speak French with the right accent. I know I suck, but I try.